In today's video, I'll show you how to install and use Rampage Trainer in Red Dead Redemption. Check my video description for this download link. Once download done, right click on the Rampage Trainer and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. Right click on the game and select Open File Location. And now open this Rampage. Select these two files except the txt, drag and drop inside of a game folder. And then go back, open script hook and except the txt, drag drop the files inside of a game folder, replace the file in the destination, and now you can launch the game. Once you are in game, press the F5 to open up this trainer. Using the up arrow and down arrow, choose options. To select option, press enter. To go back, press the backspace key. To check this Rampage trainer working, go to world, time, and change the time hour. The trainer is working. You can explore lots of other options over here. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.